Hey guys, it's Angelina, and I'm back.
Ow!
We're finally back on our vlog
Hey
channel.
guys, it's Angelina, and back with another video.
For today's vlog, it's another sleepover vlog. I have Sadie.
Shake.
And then I have our special feature guest, Chase. So basically what we're doing is we're filming this now and we're not too overtired, but then we're going to come back at around 4 a.m. and we're going to be really overtired then. And at 4 a.m. when we're really overtired, we're going to be back, and that's when our vlog is going to officially start. So we'll see you then. So right now we're playing this game called Exploding Kittens. I just want... Sadie's mom got me this. And thanks, mom number 2.
It all started with a big bang.
As many cards as you like, finally. End your turn by drawing a card at the top of the draw pile into your hand. Play any other, but I don't want to, so I'm going to draw the card on top. Which...
Chase, you're so sophisticated.
Yeah, so then...
Oh, I was recording.
Are you gonna, like, get a card?
I don't understand this.
You're gonna... Okay, that's a shuffle.
What does that mean?
Shuffle the draw pile.
What was that? By the way, I kind of like killed my nose. Might be fractured, might just be bruised. Who knows?
The card. And then you end your turn. So.
Hello from the other side! From the other side.
I just want to see your reactions. But no, they didn't break up.
Jeez, look at the camera. Jeez, look at the camera. Jeez.
Have a tongue. Like I did literally today. I went up to Haley.
I don't know.
I started laughing.
I'm kidding.
We made cookies. Can you stop?
Drake and Josh on meth.
Okay, so I'm here. We're all here on this one small couch with BMO. We're gonna watch all 3 Insidious movies.
I can't make
And-
the 3.
And we will be back after that, I guess. This should be interesting.
Broke me.
Oh no, well. If colored caterpillars could change their colors, does it do?
Yellow, yellow,
Yellow.